will install VirtualBox. Click on the first link. See, this is official link of VirtualBox. I will give it in my resources. Select whatever operating system you have. I have Windows and selecting Windows. Click on it so you can see my download.
So I have already downloaded it.
Now I will click to install. Next.
So I have already downloaded it. Now again go to the same page of VirtualBox and scroll it down. You will find VirtualBox extension pack. Click here to download it. I have already downloaded it. I'll show you. Here, just double click on it and it will redirect you to the VirtualBox. See, I have already installed it.